In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all desktop icons without deleting them. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now, in order to delete all desktop icons, you need to come to your desktop, then right click on anywhere, then you will go to view, then you will come to the last option which says that show desktop icons. Now click on it. Then as you can see, the desktop icons have been removed. Now in order to return them, you need to right click there again, then go to view, then go to show desktop icons. Then they will return as you can see. In order to remove each icon, you just need to select the icon that you want to remove, then click on it once, then right click on it, then go to properties, then select general, then come to this option here, hidden, then click on OK. Then you need to refresh. Then as you can see, the icon has been removed. Now in order to unhide it again, you need to go to your file explorer, just press on your Windows key and E, then your file explorer will be open. So at the top there, go to view, then come to hidden items, click on it, then go back to your desktop. Then as you can see, the icon is here. Now in order to unhide it, you need to click on it once, then right click, then go to properties, then go to general, then select hidden, then click on OK. So as you can see, the desktop icon has returned here. So that's how you can simply remove desktop icons without deleting them. Now if you have found this video useful, please consider to subscribe and to like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.